Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix or remove the error CR or csrss.exe. So let's begin. So if you would like to fix or remove this, you can actually go to the CMD. Okay, this is actually a quick fix. Uh, Go type CMD, make sure to run as the admin, click yes. What we can do is we can easily do an SFC scan now. Okay, click enter. Then your PC will begin scanning your computer and remove any errors on or corrupted files and fix any uh, files, especially this error csrss.exe. So once it has hit 100%, it will show that it has successfully removed or repaired those specific files. You can click on close, refresh, restart your computer, and you're done. You have successfully removed this error from your PC. I hope you found this video very helpful.